Hi guys, welcome to Birmingham Boiler Fix. Be nice to have a look at these diamond barbers in Yardley wood. They got a water tank, they're gonna have water, so they've asked me to diagnose it and repair it. Now if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Guys, this video was sponsored by Easy Estate, your local letting agent in Birmingham. As introductory offer, we offer all our landlords free boiler repair cover and a free gas safety certificate. So if you're interested, give us a call now.
Right guys, it's the first time I've seen these water tanks. I've never seen them before, so I'm first time working on them. But the system's all basic same. So first of all, I want to try and check if there's any power going to the spur switch. And then from the spur switch, I'm going to check if there's any power going to the machine. Now, I'm checking it out. Obviously, there's no power because it's switched off anyway. Now, after wasting so much of my precious time, I decided to switch it on. Now, after switching the power on, I noticed there's power going to the stat and the lights come on. You know the button just below the light that was stripped out? That's the reset button. So I pressed it before I even switched the power on. Now that's the reset button. So I reset the stat. So now the machine heater is working. There is power going to the machine and it's heating up the water. Now why did it trip out? Maybe some sort of a basic, I don't know, overheat or some sort of air lock in there or something. I don't know. Anyway, it's working for now.
So I'm going to test it. Right. Oops. Testing the cold right now, yeah. Right, so now this one's cold. And this one's warm.
Right, the tank water is about room temperature, which is about 21, 22 Celsius. I'm going to give it about 10 minutes and hopefully the temperature will go up.
Okay, now we're going to give it about 5 minutes. And at least I know the temperature is 22 and it should be higher than that in about 5 minutes. So to get access to that, there's a screw inside. Right. So the problem is the sink unit here. So get that one in now. And that's the other screw. Right guys, I think it's been about 2-3 minutes. Right, so the temperature is on 22 and now 24. So I think the temperature is going the right direction here. So guys, after 2 minutes, the temperature is 22. It's 24 now. So I'm gonna give it about 10 minutes.
Right guys, if you got a broken out boiler in Birmingham or South Birmingham, domestic or commercial, we repair all your favorite boilers from Biasi, Worcester, Bosch and many more. We also offer Landlord Gas Safety Certificates and boiler service. We repair Gladial boilers too and water tanks, S plans or Y plans. So if you got a broken up boiler, don't suffer in cold, give us a call. Guys, if you got underfloor heating and that's not working for you, it's broken down, it's not working properly, just give me a shout, I'll sort it out for you. We also repair air source heat pumps too. So if you got an air source heat pump and it's not under warranty and it's not working for you, give us a call, we can sort that out for you too. Right, after 10 minutes, let's see what the temperature is now. Hopefully it'll be about 30 Celsius. And if it's over 30 Celsius, then I'll think that it's working fine now.
Right guys, sorted that out, it's all working fine, just needed resetting. So it was an easy job, it was the first time I worked on this part or this tank. So just figuring out how to open it up and the access is the most difficult part. Once I got that, it was easy to figure out what's going on with it. First I had to check all the electrical out, there's any power coming to it. Once I figured that out, then it was on the immersion meter, there's any power going to that. Once I figured that out, before that I noticed there was, the overheater was just tripped out. So I pressed it, it's all working fine. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Till next time, Birmingham, we'll fix.